My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel passage, we heard about summary in a way the mission of Jesus. The mission was to go to Israel, to go to the cities of Israel and beyond, and preach about the kingdom. Not just preach, but also bring about healing, not just in words, but also in deeds. And we heard of one instance where there was a need for healing, a dumb demoniac who needed to be made like any other human beings because he was self-possessed and he could not be a normal human being. Jesus heals him. And we heard about the reaction of people, two reactions, one a good one, one so-called not so good one. Good one came for people who had kept their minds open, their hearts open, when they see God doing something good and they appreciate it. On the other side, we see the reaction of the Pharisees who had kept their minds and the heart closed to Jesus, and they even accuse him of that he has the power of the devil. Brothers and sisters, this is what happens to any human being when he goes to perform a deed which is good. Reactions vary. Today we have the feast of St. Anthony Zechariah of the 16th century, who in a way tried to do good at the time the church was going through an upheaval of reformation, of attacks from outside by Martin Luther, who criticized in a way the so-called malpractices taking place in the church. At this time, God raised up somebody to bring about inner reformation, inner renewal. Anthony Zechariah, who promoted devotion, spiritual energy in the church, devotion to the Eucharist, the 40-hour devotion in memory of Jesus in the tomb, and bring about so-called establishing orders, one for men, one for women, and for couples, so that with the spiritual energy, they were able to counteract the church attacks. We pray today for our own selves and see whether we are close to bring our own reformation, whether outside forces attack us, whether we have the spiritual energy we require so as to face the outside attacks. We also pray for our state, which is experiencing heavy rain, for all the traveling, that God may take care of them and bring them home back safely.